And that's it. That's the last of the Anycubic trash filament done. I'm interested to know if anyone has any ideas for it. I've still got this amount. You can also see I intend to print a case for this someday, maybe, but that's my printer firmware thing, and you can see it's connected to a little zip-tied webcam there, and it works pretty well actually. Anyway, let's see what I printed, if you ignore all the mess on the desk. So, I have this piece of electronics that I have had to basically glue together. I have 5 volts in and 5 volts and 16 volts out. And in order to accomplish that, I just soldered this thing together. We have the DC to DC thing. 5 volts passes through on this line. And then we have the out there, and I've tuned it and I've hot glued it. But it's kind of bad to have this flapping around. So I designed this in 4 hours yesterday, and I printed it. And you can kind of see my printer really didn't want to print this. It even started curving up at the bottom there. But this is the first revision. I used snap fits. I did actually have to shorten them a bit. Anyway, as you can see, snaps on. You squeeze it, you can pull it off just by like that. Nothing's broken despite printing upwards, so I might just be the snap fit genius. Let's see if this goes in. Seems like it might not fit. Let's see. Nice.